Let's take a tour at the Workshop Shopping Center. It's one of the biggest centers in Durban. It has an open space for the less privileged people. As you can see, that is the open space for the less privileged people where they're working from the tents. Then I can take you this side opposite is that building. Yeah, we are heading the workshops shopping center. It's a big center. I'm gonna go through entrance number 1, then I'll come back through another entrance. I'm heading there. There is the biggest restaurant, Chicken Licken. Yeah, I'm inside now. As you can see, it's a beautiful place to work. Yeah, it's a busy place. People are moving in and out. These are your favorite stores. You can see your favorite stores by the side. And the most amazing thing, even the Hollywood is here. That is the Hollywood. If you want to become lucky, you can go there and become lucky. Take your lucky numbers and win. Your favorite banks, FNB. It's a refreshing shop here. Yeah, mainly banks. Now I'm going out. I'm heading to leave workshop. That side down is the underground parking. Underground parking, if you come with the car, there, the parking is too big. It's there. And I'll show you where you can get food and refreshments. All your favorite restaurants. the stressed people, this is the point. This is the place. This place is founded by the Google Park for relaxation, counseling. This is the place called Place of Hope. You even see the sign for AIDS. It's a place of that ribbon for AIDS. It's a place where counseling is taking place, Bible reading, the gospel teaching, even some music. Yeah, I'm out now. This is also part of workshop. It's a park behind workshop. It's a park behind workshop. It's called Google Park for relaxation, refreshment, everything you want. You can come. Now there is a promo taking place by the same park. You see too much people there. They are gathering for the promo. Yeah. I'm heading upstairs. I'm gonna show you what is upstairs. Trade is what is taking place here. You can even take a clear view on down. There is a cellar there. It's a beer liquor store. If you are very tired in the evening, you can come and refresh yourself. Yeah. Down there is also trading taking place. Too much trading in this place. This place is for trading. People are buying and selling the stores.